Hi, everybody. All right, we are going to be reading a story. So I want your eyes on your screen and your ears are big and listening. You are giving me five. Eyes are on screen. Ears are big and listening. Today's story is called I Am Yoga. Here is my front cover. I Am Yoga. My author is Susan Verde. All right, let's go to my next page. When I feel small in a world so big, when I wonder how I fit in, when the world is spinning so fast, I tell my wiggling body, be still. I tell my thinking mind, be quiet. Can you tell your mind just like her? She's got her hands on her head. Be quiet. I tell my racing breath, be slow. I want you to put two hands, one hand on your chest, two hands on your chest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Say, be slow. I close my eyes and make room in my mind, in my heart, to create and imagine. I am yoga. She's got a little bird on her head. I can touch the sky. I am so tall. Can you make your body look like hers? Her hands are reaching up together to the sky. I can soar among the clouds. I am so free. She's stretching her arms out. I can sparkle with the stars. I shimmer and shine. I can dance with the moon. I light up the night. She's got one hand on the ground and one hand up to the sky. I can sail on the sea. I go with the flow. I can open my heart. I feel the love. I can see far and wide. I am focused. I can turn things upside down. I am playful. She's upside down. I can stand up for me. I can stand up for others. I can stand up for peace. That's a new word. Peace. I wonder what that means. I can open like a flower. I am beautiful. Can you say that with our little friend in our book? I am beautiful. Let's say it again. I am beautiful. I can carry beauty with me. I am full. Good. I can say I've had enough for today. I relax. Say no thank you. I've had enough. Look at how relaxed and calm she looks on the beach. Now the world is just the right speed. She's holding the world. Now my world is just the right size. Now I see I fit in just fine. I am yoga. I can be anything. Okay, now we are going to try some of our yoga poses because we've been talking about feeling calm and feeling okay. So let's go to our last page, or I'm sorry, the next page, and we are going, here we go. We're going to start it from the beginning and stand up in our learning spots. Let's stand up in our learning spots. We're going to do all the poses that our little friend here does. So let's find our first pose. Here's her pose. Let's stand up. I want it to look like her. Here we go. Okay, I am yoga. She's standing straight with her palms, these part of your hand, facing out. And close your eyes. Take a deep breath in your nose. Good, all right. Next yoga pose. Let's see. You're going to balance on one leg. Balance on one leg and put your arms together. Here are my hands. I lift them to the sky. Breathe in, you are so tall. And out. You're balancing. Focus on your one leg and your hands up tall. Try not to fall. It's okay. It's okay if you fall. All right. Now, what's this little girl doing in our next picture? Her next, oh, her arms are out. Arms out. And put one leg behind you like an airplane or like you're flying. Okay, breathe like an airplane. And out. Breathe like an airplane. And out. Good. Let's try our next yoga pose. All right. Oh, so for this one, you're going to lie on the floor. It says, I can sparkle with the stars. So I want you to lie on the floor, or you can do it standing. Put your hands out like a star and close your eyes. Big breath in and out. Stretch out your arms. Be a star. Big breath in and out. Now we're going to dance with the moon. So on one leg, look like this little girl here. She's got her arm on the ground and one arm up. Stretch your other leg. Can you make yourself look like the moon? Okay, breathe in and out. Oh, Mrs. Roth fell out of that one. That one's hard. Let's find another one. Oh, for this one, you're gonna stretch up out of your chair and stretch your chest. Maybe you put your head back, opening up your heart, opening up your heart, and breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Good. Okay, one more. Now we are going to do our downward dog. So look what she's doing. Put your hands on the ground, kind of like this. And we breathe in and out. In and out. Oh, how do you feel? I hope you feel a little calm. And just like our friend in our book, she said that after she does yoga, oh, let's also try this one. We'll try it quick before we go. She opens like a flower. Can you sit with your legs crossed and pretend you're sitting inside a pretty flower in the middle of a garden? Here's my flower. It's got pink petals and it smells like a rose. Okay, I'm going to smell in the smell of my flower. And out. Smell in your flower. And out. Good. Okay, let's see how our friend feels. She said that now her world feels like it's just the right speed. Everything is quiet, even my voice is quiet, and everything is slow because now we are calm. All right, go ahead and try some more yoga poses. Maybe you can come up with poses of your own and teach them to us next time. Bye, friends.